trucks, engines, water rescue boats, and dozers. These are some of the tools Alameda County firefighters use to keep the public safe. Welcome to ACFD Spotlight. The folks here keeps them rolling.
So here at the ACFD Fleet Shop, we service, repair, and maintain over 285 vehicles for the Alameda County Fire Department. We also work on 85 other outside agencies, generally totaling around 700 vehicles a year pass in and out of here. So we have over 14 staff members that work at this facility. Currently we have 10 certified fire mechanics. We have 1 fleet services manager, 1 parts technician, 1 facilities coordinator, and account clerk. It is a great job. It's very rewarding. I mean, we get to work on fire trucks every day. Get to kind of play around with them, light sirens, and even get to play squirt water once in a while. What I do here as the General Services Manager is I oversee all of the fleet division, and I also oversee all of the facilities.
What I like best here at ACFD is there's a purpose to all the repairs that I make. And all the previous jobs I ever worked at, it was just no name, just a vehicle I worked on. Now, seeing the crews, knowing that those crews take those vehicles I work on and actually go out and save lives with them makes it so rewarding.
The most rewarding part about my job is being able to take care of the members. You know, being able to take care of their needs on their vehicles and just getting them from point A to point B.
With the Fleet Maintenance Division, we also have a lot of outside agencies we work on, and we treat them all as if they're our own customer. So the firefighter in the back is a customer just as much as the engineer, captain, and it's very rewarding to hand them over a repaired vehicle that they've had broken for days, weeks, or months and that they were unable to get fixed elsewhere.